All right, so we're gonna unbox a Grizzly. It is the G1023RLWX. It's a 5 horsepower cabinet saw. This box came in damaged, so I opened it. The shipper bought it. It doesn't look like there's any damage. Hopefully none of this is bent. It's the angle irons to connect them, straight edge that the fence rides along, and it's got a knob in it down there. Hopefully there's no missing parts, but from what I hear, Grizzly's pretty good about replacing this stuff. So I figured I need to get to assembling it since I've had it a little. Don't think there's anything else in. Nothing else in there. Got it wrapped in plastic. It's laying everything on its side. But I figured it'd be standing up. The furniture dolly to move this with. Okay, this is the safety soft cover, weight cover. Probably one of the things that's going to last. What a mess. Got a little bit of protection on the plexiglass. Oh, this is a riving knife. More safety stuff. I guess that's actually the connector for the, that's the riving knife right there. And I might hurt my hand, let's see. Yep, this is going to be one of the tabletops. Some big old washers. Insert. Oh, that's the, this came with the, if you look up the part number, this comes with the router table on the side. That's the inserts for the router. This just has some brackets in it, probably to bolt your router in. All right, there's another box open. I'm trying to keep these together. Using a little, what is it, a Gerber? Yeah, a little Gerber knife. I'm probably going to do a video on those eventually. These look like legs. Yeah. That's an adjustment. Those are probably legs, brackets. I don't know if you want to see these up closer. And some nuts and bolts in there. This looks like part of the cabinet. It's green anyway. That's all that's in there. Some hardware, a couple of pins. Some of that stay dry. Looks like a little latch and a couple of pins. Oh, that's the door. Probably that covers the motor. Oh, let's set it over here softly. There's actually a box tucked in back here. The wheels, adjustment wheels. A clear piece of round plexi. That looks like probably a hose connection for a different size dust collector. inserts. Take this out. Put this all, throw in the trash in the lid over there that I pulled off a minute ago. Some more stay dry. This is some type of door. Looks like we've got some loose parts. Okay, it's making noise. Oh, okay, gotta be careful. You never know, you might lose a pin. And we're kind of semi inserted. That's got to be a door of some sort. This one, they decided to strap. So it's either a heavy part or did it for some other reason. A bunch of parts in here. Wow. An arm, like a support arm, a knob. Yeah, that sucker is heavy. Another knob. Some type of adjustment. God, this is a long unboxing, guys. I'm sorry. There's a lot of stuff to this thing. Let's see. Go that way. What else is in here? Like I said, dust collector chute looks like. Oh, this is the sliding miter gauge for the saw. There's some bolts in here with some washers and some lock washers. These are the wrenches that come with it to install the blade. There's a couple of L brackets in here. There's a wrench, an Allen wrench, a big Phillips head screw, and another knob. Kind of a weird, open this up. Chrome knob. They're all, it's like solid steel, whatever. And actually, that's pretty cool. Safety device. It's a push stick. Push your material through the blade so you don't cut yourself. Little safety devices in there. Little extra parts, knobs, owner's manual, assembly manual. Model H7507 router table extension, owner's manual. So that's probably has the assembly for the router in it. This is the model G1023RLWX series, 10-inch table saw with riving knife, owner's manual. Covers all three, the RLX, the RLX5, the RL, the RLW, and the RLWX. I'm not going to open all that up. This, I'm assuming, is a saw blade. And they do supply you with a, let's see, 5,000 RPM max. It is 40 tooth. 254 asterisk 3.2/2.2 asterisk 5/8 and 40 tooth. Maximum 5,000 RPMs. So you do get a saw blade with it. Let's see. God, it's a long unboxing. Sorry, folks. If you're still with me, yeehaw. I get nothing from YouTube. I don't have enough viewers and enough time. So if you're with me, good. If not, oh well. I just did it on top of that. All right. Yep. Another piece of tape. It's cast iron. All this stuff is. It does have that coating on it, so it is going to be a mess to clean up. Okay, this box looks like. They just took enough time. No, this has got some interesting stuff in it. Let's see. It has your on-off switch. How the heck did they do this? They just poked a hole and ran the cable out of this thing. This is actually the on-off switch with, golly, with the lock installed. So it's got the stop, it's got keys for the lock. Hopefully that's unlocked. Well, you'll have to take those keys off, unlock the lock, keep you from being able to turn it on. That's it, folks. Let me see if I can stand this thing up real quick. That might be entertaining, right? To watch me try and stand this monster up. So, here's a cardboard box that says motor starter on it. Once I stand this thing up, if I can stand this up, now you can see the start stop button, but you can also see this motor starter box that's in here. It's installed, but they left the cardboard box around it. Taiwan. Imagine that. Made in Taiwan. That's it. That's my Grizzly unboxing. I did get the 5 horsepower motor. That's a haul. Whew. I'm out of breath. I am 57 years old. I'll walk around, show you what all came. It's kind of a mess. The box has two of those, two of these handles. Oh, I can't even get to it now. In there, and it had 2 of these in there. Looks like there's a lot of assembly to do. Looks like she's in pretty good shape. Let's see if I can show you. Look, this is what I was talking about on the sticker. Right here. I don't know if the camera's catching that good, because there's a big glare from the sun behind me. But I wouldn't call that. See, well, that rubbed out. I saw one guy, he just had a scratch. Look, the sticker's not even straight. It goes up, down. It's actually over the edge. I may just pull that off. Yeah, I'll probably just end up pulling that off, because that's just ugly. So, and all it says is Grizzly.com on it. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a big black piece of tape with Grizzly.com on it. I'll probably pull that off. So, anyway, their spit shine's not that great. There's the surface of it. Don't know how much you can see of it. I still don't have light power in my shop. I'm running extension cords from a temporary pole.